Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike offers an impressive blend of power, portability, and practicality, making it a standout choice for urban commuters and recreational bikers alike. With a robust 1000W motor, this e-bike accelerates swiftly, reaching speeds of over 30 miles per hour. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or cruising on a scenic route, the bike's performance is both exhilarating and reliable. One of the most notable features is the 48V 20.8AH removable battery, which provides an excellent range, allowing riders to travel up to 80 miles on a single charge, depending on conditions and riding style. The ability to remove the battery for charging adds convenience, enabling users to charge it indoors without needing to bring the entire bike inside. This feature also enhances security, as the battery can be easily locked away when the bike is parked. The folding mechanism is another highlight. The bike's compact design makes it easy to store in small apartments or to transport in the trunk of a car. When folded, it is lightweight and manageable, ensuring that you won't struggle when lifting or carrying it. In terms of comfort, the bike comes equipped with a spacious seat and adjustable handlebars, allowing riders to customize their setup for a more enjoyable experience. The sturdy frame can support a significant weight, making it suitable for a variety of riders. The bike's rugged tires and suspension system contribute to a smooth ride over various terrains, from city streets to park trails. The inclusion of front and rear disc brakes ensures reliable stopping power, adding to the bike's safety features. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is a fantastic investment for those seeking a high-performance e-bike that combines speed, versatility, and ease of use. Whether commuting or enjoying leisurely rides, this electric bike is designed to deliver an outstanding experience. It's a powerful companion for both the daily grind and weekend adventures, truly embodying the future of eco-friendly travel.